traditions meet modern innovation. It is a country with a significance that dates back over 5,000 years. Exactly 78 years ago, on the same day, a historical event took place, the independence of India. India achieved its heartfelt independence from British colonial powers, marking at the end of nearly 200 years of foreign dominance. Let us have a eve on 15 August 1947, which led to this momentous occasion. Underway of historic movement of independence leaders such as Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel were involved in that Independence Day celebration, and the speech was delivered in the midnight of 14th August 1947 and became the iconic speech of Indian history.
Long years ago, we made a twisty with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. The stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to freedom. Moments come, which comes, but very rarely in history. When we step out from the end, and when we step out from the end, when the old age ends, and when the soul of the nation, long suppressed and finds utterance.